What's up, guys? This just arrived from Baby Delight. It is the Lunaire organic baby crib and Playard. This thing is fantastic. I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys and then tell you a little bit about the product if you're shopping around. I've looked at a ton of these different cribs and play places that are portable. There's some amazing brands out there, but I think this one has some really good benefits that I want to share with you guys. But let's go ahead and dive into a quick unboxing. 7 different colors on their website right now that you can choose from. What I love is that they really care about aesthetics, but also affordability for parents. This is something that you can get that has amazing value. Also comes with the manufacturer's product registration for recalls. You can send that in here. They also have a link on their website. And then the directions, most of you dads, we're gonna skip over these, but I encourage you to read them because there's a couple parts where the rails go on that you might not think they go there. And to show you how to open and close the security latch, you have to actually press the button, pull up and push down. And so let's dive into this and take a look at what this looks like opened up. So here is an external case that protects the actual Playard and crib, but also works to be the mat on the floor inside the crib. Pretty easy, you just pull out in each direction. These will latch up, so you can kind of latch these as you're opening them. Push down here in the middle. And it's that easy, very simple. And then it's locked and secure. Here's what I showed you earlier. You have to push this button and push up and then push down. And it'll unsecure both sides when you want to take it apart. If that locks in there really firm, you can double check by going around. So now I'm gonna grab the rails that go on the front, the back, and the bottom underneath. I'm gonna put on the top so you guys can see what that looks like. Here's the external part that also works as the floor mat. Just pop that in there and you're done. Very easy to assemble. And now I'm gonna go over a quick few different things for you to know about this product, some of the features, so that way when you're buying, you can say, okay, what's the difference of this? Besides it being a full-size crib and Playard, what's the perks about using Baby Delight for this product? And I'll share that with you now, because if you're like me, a dad that geeks out over baby gear, this is some fun perks to know about. So product highlights is made with GOTS certified organic cotton and synthetic mesh for strength, durability, and airflow. Full-size mesh crib, and this is big. I just assembled another wooden crib, and one of the features about this product too is that this is much lighter, about 40% lighter than a wood crib, and that is true. It's very easy to move around. So if you find yourself wanting to have a crib or a Playard in a different area, but it's being moved often, this is your choice here. It meets the standards of ASTM 1169-19 crib standards. Full-size mattress is not included, crib mattress, but you can purchase that separately, and that meets the ASTM F2933-21A standards. So they have the standards right on the website. Make sure you check those to make sure they're exactly what you're wanting for your crib and your mattress. They recommend a firm mattress for this play crib. They also have mesh walls for airflow that you can see around. Also really great to be able to kind of see in if you're sitting on the couch and wanting to look from the side. Patented frame design, and I actually love this frame design. This back headboard looking piece is very cool, and the fabric stretches across it perfect. It also has the Luxe quilted fabric, which adds an amazing texture, style, and aesthetic to your home to add tranquility, and also just that design that you want out of some of your baby gear if you're like us and love to see the different tones that baby gear can offer to a space, as well as the quality and the utility to go along with it. It has a sturdy metal frame. Like I said, it has the rails that go across the top and around the bottom, which gives it that extra sense of security, and that all packs up into the same carrying and storing case. And they are JPMA certified. So you have all these different standards. certifications, design aesthetics, utility for on the go, and it's easy to assemble. Baby Delight has done it with this product, and I highly recommend checking out their gear. My name's Blake. You could follow along here for more baby gear. We got one on the way, so I've already done this once before. I've gone through all the gear. Now I'm looking not just for the coolest brands out there, but what is the greatest price points that you can hit for quality, technology, and utility for the actual use day to day, because that's what we all want as parents. And I know a lot of you dads out there geek out for great purchases that you know you can be proud of, but then also give to your kids. So make sure you check out BabyWise. This is the sage color, and follow along because I'll be doing some more assembly videos that you can see on these types of products. And shout out to the Baby Delight team. You guys are fantastic to work with, and I can't wait to see some of the new products that I know you guys are coming out with in the near future. Cheers, guys.